Hello students, good morning everybody. Okay, today we will learn to find the nth term or general term of a sequence. First of all, you should know about the nth term or general term. What is the nth term or general term? So let's see. Suppose we have a sequence, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It is a sequence, then what is the nth term or general term? General term means or nth term means what? Nth term means nth term is the formula, or nth term is the rule. Understood? Are you clear? Of the sequence. Are you clear? Nth term or general term. Nth or general both are same. So nth term or general term is the rule of the sequence. Are you clear? Okay. We have to find any term by using, or we can find any term of the sequence by using general term. Are you clear? General means, general means हामी जुनसुकै satisfy हुने जस्तै general term भनेपछि general term युज गरेर हामी जुनसुकै term find गर्न सक्छौं. Clear? Okay. Suppose we have a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then it has how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms only. Understood? But we can also find 8 term, 9 term, 10 term by using general term or nth term. Are you clear? Okay. What is the difference? 4 minus 2, 2. Then 6 minus 4, also 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 12 minus 10, 2. And in this sequence, each term increases. In this sequence, each term increases by 2. Understood? So this type of sequence is called a linear sequence, or it is also called an arithmetic sequence. Understood? So we can find nth term or general term easily of any linear sequence or any arithmetic sequence. Okay, then how to find general term or nth term? Let's see. Okay, it is which term? It is first term, 2 is at the first place, so 2 is the first term. First term is denoted by T1. Are you clear? And 4 is at second place, so 4 is called what? Second term. Second term is denoted by T2. Then 6 is at third place, so 6 is denoted by T3. Understood? T1 means first term, or the term which is at first place, the term which is at second place, the term which is at third place. Understood? At first place T1, at second place T2, at third place T3, so on, T4, T5, T6. Are you clear? Okay. Suppose here 20 term. 20. Then what is the place of 20? Here 10th place is T6 or 6th place. Then 12th place is 6th place or T6. 10th place is 5th place, which is T5. 8th place is 4th, which is T4. Understood? In this way, what is the place of 20? Understood? What is the place? So let's n place. Understood? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Same way, what is the place of 20? So let be 20 is at n place. So it is denoted by Tn. It is denoted by Tn. Understood? Okay, we have to find Tn. Here we have to find Tn. Then how to find Tn? Let's see. It is which sequence? It is a linear sequence or arithmetic sequence. You know linear sequence? You know? Can you identify linear sequence? A sequence in which each term is increased or decreased by a fixed number. Are you clear? A sequence, you know, what is linear sequence? A sequence in which each term is increased or decreased by a fixed number. That is called a linear sequence or an arithmetic sequence. Understood? Or we can also define a sequence. A sequence is said to be. Understood? A sequence is said to be. A sequence is said to be a linear understood? A sequence is said to be a linear or an arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence. Understood? A sequence is said to be a linear or an arithmetic sequence if each term in the sequence is each term in the sequence is increased or decreased by a fixed number, by a fixed number. Understood? How can define? a linear sequence. A sequence is said to be a linear or an arithmetic sequence if each term in the sequence is increased or decreased by a fixed number. In this sequence, understood? In this sequence, each term is increased. 4 is increased by 2. 6 is also increased by 2. 8 is also increased by 2. Are you clear? So we can define a sequence is said to be a linear or an arithmetic sequence if each term in the sequence is increased or decreased by a fixed number. So that is a linear sequence. Now, okay, let's go to find the nth term or general term. Nth term or general term. Nth term or general term means what? The nth term or general term of the sequence is a rule of the sequence. Understood? Okay. Let A and D be the first term. Understood? Let A and D be the first term and the fixed number. Understood? Let A and D be the first term and the fixed, suppose 2, and the fixed number a fixed number of a linear sequence. Understood? Fixed number of a linear sequence. Are you clear? Let's see. Let A and D be the first term. A is the first term and D be the what? Fixed number, and the fixed number of a linear sequence respectively. Understood? Are you clear? कुनै sequence को A र D, A भनेपछि first term हो, D भनेको fixed number हो. A linear sequence respectively. Then the first term, first term is denoted by what? T1. The first term T1 equal to here given A. Understood? And the second term T2. Here second term is denoted by what? T2. So we can write T2. Okay. Now what is the second term of the given sequence? How can find? Okay, let's see here. Suppose here given first term 2 and the fixed number 2. Then how to find second number, third number, fourth number? Okay, let's see. Suppose we have only given first term and fixed number. Then second term, how to find? Second term is the sum of first term and fixed number. 2 plus 2 we get 4. Clear? Then how to find third term? The third term is the sum of second term and fixed number. 4 plus 2, 6. Understood? Are you clear? Understood? If you have to find second term, then adding first term and the given fixed number, then we get second term. Understood? Then adding second term and fixed number, we get third term 4 plus 2. Then adding third term 6 and fixed number 6 plus 2, we get T4. Similarly, here also we can find the first term is given T1A, then the second term T2 equal to the sum of first term and fixed number. Here first term A, then sum of A and fixed number D, A plus D. Understood? Then the third term is denoted by T3. You know, the third term is denoted by T3. How to find third term? Okay, here third term is the sum of second term and fixed number. So here second term is given A plus D and fixed number D. So A plus D we get A plus 2D. Then next, the fourth term is denoted by T4. Yes, the fourth term is denoted by T4. How to find fourth term? Fourth term is the sum of third term and fixed number. Fixed number is D. So third term A plus 2D plus D, A plus 3D. Are you clear? Okay, so on. Then at last the nth term. Okay, now how to find nth term? The nth term. Okay, nth term is denoted by Tn. Let's see here. What is the place of 20? The place of 20 is n. So 20 is denoted by Tn. Are you clear? Okay. Then how to find the nth term? The nth term Tn equal to what? Now how to find? Okay, let's see here. The first term T1 equal to A, we can write A plus 1 minus 1 into D. D is the fixed number. In the first term, there is no fixed number in the first term, but we can write A plus 1 minus 1 into D. It means A plus 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 into D, we get 0. A plus 0 A. Understood? So we can write A equal to A plus 1 minus 1 times D. Then also write A plus D equal to A plus D. Here second term, yes, the second term T2. So we can write A plus D equal to A plus D time or A plus D 2 minus 1 times D. Understood? 2 minus 1 we get 1, then 1 into D. So A plus D. A plus D equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Then A plus here T3 is given A plus 2D. Then we can write A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Then next A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Understood? Are you clear? Okay. Again, let's see. Here the given first term T1 equal to A, we can write a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Yang 1 bakule 1 minus 1 garyam. Then second term, here t2 is given, so we can write a plus d equal to a plus, here's 2, then a plus 2 minus 1 times d, here 3, so a plus 2d equal to a plus 3 minus 1d, then here given t4 or 4, then t4 equal to a plus 3d equal to a plus 4 minus 1d. Okay, same way we can write in this term. Understood? Jasari हामीले यसमा राखेछौं, same way we can write here also. 1 here given t1, then we can write a plus 1 minus 1 into d. t2, then we can write a plus 2 minus 1 into d. 2, then 2 minus 1. But all are same, all are constant, you know. In the all term, a are same or first term constant in the all term, you know. In the first term also a only, second also a, third also a, fourth also a, and okay, in the first, according to t1 1 minus 1d, according to t2 2 minus 1d, according to t3 3 minus 1d, according to t4 4 minus 1d, but a constant, a and d are constant, so we can write in this term also we can write a constant at this much. Okay, so here Tn equal to a plus what? According to 2 minus 1, according to t3 3 minus 1, according to t4 4 minus 1, then according to tn we can write n minus 1 times d, which is the nth term of a linear sequence or of an arithmetic sequence. Are you clear? That is called nth term or general term. Understood? That is the nth term or general term. Are you clear? Understood? Okay. The nth term or general term. The nth term or the general term of a linear sequence is Tn, you know. General term or nth term is denoted by Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Understood? Where a is the first term, first term of the sequence, Understood? And d is the fixed number. D is the fixed number. Understood? D A भनेको एउटा फर्स्ट टर्म हो, D भनेको के हो? फिक्स्ड नम्बर हो, जुन नम्बरले इन्क्रिज और डिक्रिज भएको हुन्छ सिक्वेन्स. Are you clear? Suppose here a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. In this sequence, each term is increased by 2. 2 is called fixed number. Understood? In the linear sequence, each number or each term may be decreased also. Understood? Decrease पनि हुन सक्छ by fixed number. So can you find a linear sequence? How to find? First of all, find the difference between any term and its preceding term. Understood? How to find linear sequence? Okay, let's see. We have some sequence. Then how to find it is linear or it is not linear? Okay, let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This much. It is linear or not? How to find? First of all, find the difference between any term and its preceding term. You know preceding term. What is the preceding term of 4? Preceding term of 4 is 3. Preceding term of 5 is 4. Preceding term of 6 is 5. Preceding term of 7 is 6. And preceding term of 8 is 7. What is the successive term? Successive term of 3 is 4. Successive term of 4 is 5. Understood? Preceding means previous term, or successive means after. Understood? What is the term after 4? 5. 5 is called also successive. What is the before? What is the term before 5? 4. So 4 is called preceding also. Are you clear? Okay. Now find what difference of each term. Now find difference of each term and its preceding. So difference of 4 and its preceding 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. Then 5 minus 4, 1. Then 6 minus 5, 1. Then 7 minus 6, 1. Then 8 minus 7, 1. Understood? Okay. In this sequence, the difference between any term and its preceding term is fixed or constant, so it is called a linear sequence. It is also called an arithmetic sequence, an arithmetic progression. Understood? Okay, then next 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2. Understood? Okay, this much. Now find difference between any term and its preceding term. Okay, here what is the difference of 6 and its preceding term? Then 6 minus 8 minus 2. Then 4 minus 6 minus 2. Then 2 minus 4 minus 2. Then 0 minus 2 minus 2. Then minus 2 minus 0, we get also minus 2. It is also a linear sequence. Why? Because in this sequence, each term decreases by 2. In this sequence, each term increases by 1. Understood? You know, or we know a sequence in which each term increases or decreases by a fixed number, that is called a linear sequence or an arithmetic sequence. Then we can find its general term or what? Nth term. Okay. Again, suppose we have 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. It is linear sequence. Okay, first of all find what? Difference. So what is the difference of 5 and 2? 3. What is the difference of 8 and 5? 3. 11 and 8, 3. 14 and 11, 3. Same. Understood? So it is also a linear sequence. Understood? Okay, now we can find nth term or general term of any linear sequence. Suppose we have a linear sequence. Okay, 4, 4, then 7, 10, understood? 13, 16, 16, then 19. Okay, this much. Can you find its general term or nth term? How to find? First of all, test it is which sequence? Linear sequence or not? Okay, find. What is the difference of 7 and 4? 7 minus 4, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. 13 minus 10, 3. 16 minus 13, 3. 19 minus 16, 3. Okay, in this sequence also each term increase by a fixed number, that is by 3. So it is called linear sequence. It is called linear sequence. Now we can find its general term or nth term. So here given the first term. Okay, first of all write given information. So the first term, okay, first term is also denoted by A and T1 also. Then the first term A equal to, what is the first term of this sequence? 4, you know. So the first term A equal to 4 and the fixed number. Okay, a fixed number is also called common difference. Why? Because every term in this sequence, every term, a difference of every term and its preceding term is same. So that is called common difference. किनभने तिनीहरुको डिफरेन्स कमन हुन्छ, प्रत्येक टर्मको डिफरेन्स के हुन्छ? कमन. Understood? Difference of all terms are same, so it is called common difference also. Okay, so then we can write the common difference. The common difference, or also write fixed number. The common difference is denoted by D. Understood? The common difference D. What is the common difference? Common difference means fixed number. Here fixed number is 3. So the common difference D equal to 3. Understood? Now the nth term of the given sequence, the nth term, or it is also called general term. The nth term Tn equal to 1. We have a formula to find the general term or common difference of a linear sequence. Okay, so by using formula we have Tn equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D equal to, then what is the value of A? A means first term, so first term is 4, then write here 4 plus n minus 1 times here put value of D. What is the value of D? Okay, first of all D, but D is what? D is the fixed number or common difference. So what is the fixed number or common difference? Here 3 is the fixed number or common difference. So we can write instead of d. Okay, now d equal to 3. This much. 4 plus 3 into n, 3n minus 3 1 3, then 3n plus 4 minus 3 1. That is nth term. Therefore, the nth term or general term Tn equal to 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1. Understood? Okay. The nth term or general term Tn equal to 3n plus 1. Understood? Now we can find any term of this sequence by using its general term or nth term. Understood? Okay, let's see here how many terms in this sequence. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has 6 terms only, but we have we should find any term. Okay, we can also find 10th term. Here is not given 10th term, but we can find how by using nth term. Okay, what is the 10th term of this sequence? Now 10th term, you know, first term is denoted by T1, yes, second term is denoted by T2, third term is denoted by T3, fourth term is denoted by T4, after T5. Same way, 10th term is denoted by T10, so we have to find T10. Okay, here T10 equal to what? If given Tn equal to 3n plus 1, understood? So T10 equal to 3 into here n, then 3 into, okay, here Tn. So we write T times n plus 1, but here T10, then write T into 10. T into 10 plus 1. We get 10 3 is 30 plus 1, 31. That is, it means what? 31 is the 10th term of given sequence. Understood? यो हाम्रो 31 भनेको यसको 10th टर्म हो। जस्तै यहाँ हामीले Tn लेखेछौं, यो nth टर्म निकाल्नुको अर्थ यसको रुल हो, यो यसको स्ट्रक्चर भयो, यो स्ट्रक्चर यसको हो, यो स्ट्रक्चरबाट हामी यसको कुनै टर्म निकाल्न सक्छौं। We can find any term by using this formula. Okay, we can also find first, second, third. Okay, you can test. T3, yes, T3, Tn, यहाँ n भएपछि 3n plus 1 छ भनेपछि T3 भएपछि 3 into 3, भनेपछि 3 into 3 plus 1, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. It is matching. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth term, T5. n भएपछि 3 into n, here 5, so 3 into 5 plus 1, we get 5 3 is 15, 1 16. It is also matching. Understood? भनेपछि हामीलाई जुनसुकै लिनियर सिक्वेन्स को यसरी हामी nth टर्म निकाल्न सक्छौं, जेनरल टर्म निकाल्न सक्छौं र यसरी हामी जुनसुकै टर्म फाइन्ड गर्न सक्छौं। Okay, this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.